if it wasn't so cold, this would be the perfect time to go in the lake. Bought this hat yesterday, thinking I wouldn't use it until winter, but here we are. 6:30 in the morning, it's freezing, but it's cute, so. Good morning. Oh, I almost just fell down the stairs. Day 64. So many friends today. Getting out here on this walk, even though it's cold, and my whole body hurts from water skiing and attempting to wakeboard yesterday. So, you know, I had quite large success with the water skiing, and the wakeboarding just it wasn't in the stars for me, so that's okay. Also, I feel like I have a bruise here. Yesterday, when I went into the bathroom and I sat down, I put my head down and whacked my forehead right on the trash can because we put it up there and I didn't see it, so that's fun. Did you know that? Yesterday, I whacked my head on the trash can in the bathroom.
Wow.
Rocky, stop it.
Good girl, Gracie.
Okay, now that I've spent an embarrassing amount of time taking selfies, I'm on the second part of my walk. As you can see, I shed a few layers because I worked up a little bit of heat. I'm still kind of half asleep. Also, I spent that first half of the walk with my dad, and he was just, oh my god, my arm is tired. And he was just not in the mood for talking, so I talked pretty much that whole time. So, yeah, that is the update. Oh, my neck just cracked. So, I just took a ton of selfies, and I was posing for all of them, and you know what? I probably took about 50, and I felt like none of them felt natural. What I was trying to do is, on my fitness, blogging, whatever, Instagram, my theme is pink, so I wanted to take a selfie and put a cute little YouTube frame around it, and then say hey, you know, check out my vlog channel, a little self-promotion. But I wanted to have the pink top, and I couldn't find any selfies with the pink because my theme on there is pink, so I just took a bunch of selfies, and then there's none of them look natural, so I'm trying too hard. So I'm probably just gonna take a screenshot of one of these because I want it to look fake, you know? Just trying to build a brand for myself. It's actually kind of hard. I honestly, I give influencers a little bit more credit now because it's actually pretty hard to grow your brand and stay on it. That's what I have to say today. Now that I've done some shameless self-promotion of my vlog channel, I'm gonna go plug into Hamilton and listen to it for about 20 minutes because my walk is almost over, but whatevs, it's fine. I have to practice for when Lin-Manuel Miranda, you know, casts me for Eliza Schuyler, so gotta practice. You are so cute. Oh, stretchy stretch. And you are so beautiful. Yes, you are. You are so beautiful. Oh, yes. Crazy. Crazy. He's so pretty. Look at this little guy. How'd you get in between the door? There he is. He's out. Go home, little buddy. I'm getting my socks wet. I don't even care. This guy's so cool. Where'd he go? Guys, look how cool he is. Goodbye. Hello, everybody. It's cold. So far, I've spent my day the past like 3 hours working on calendars and prepping for the next phases of the Live Hard program. I did a lot of organizational stuff, which makes me so happy. I love doing that stuff, but I also feel like I'm kind of blah, like I don't want to do another workout. I don't want to read. What I want to do is sit on my couch and watch a movie with my cuddly puppy. But say it ain't so, it's raining. I don't know why I said that. So right now I am going to go get some water and some ice because that was a loud noise. Did you hear that? It was a just like the movie theater.
Grounding through the feet, bend your knees generously. Volcano pose. So we're lifting up.
So here's the update. So here's the final product. It took me all of 5 minutes. And it's the first time I've worn makeup in probably a month. But like, look at me. Look at my hair. Wow. I just threw this all together. I'm bringing the inner sunshine because it's pouring outside. And yes, I really am going to wear my Crocs because my flip-flops are disgusting. Anyways, here we go. Out on the town. Why don't you just put it right up here?
Slid off.
Okay, so sad story. The ice cream place was closed for the season, so I'm having a whoopie pie instead. Oh yeah. Yes. So on that note, it's so good. So on that note, we made it to this point. Thanks for watching. I appreciate you. I'll see you when I see you.